Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are fit and fine. Today I have come up with a new grammar topic, that is prepositions. Now let's see the definition of a preposition. A preposition is a word that shows the relation between a noun or a pronoun and some other words in a sentence. Prepositions can be divided into three parts. Number one, location or position. Number two, time. Number three, direction. Now here some examples are given of the prepositions. Number one, location or position. In, on, inside, outside, in front of, behind, under, over, with. And time preposition: at, on, in, before, after, until, within. And direction preposition: from, to, through. Now here some example of preposition of place are given to you, like on. The panda is sitting on the box. In, the cat is in the box. Beside, the panda is sitting beside the box. Pass में. In front of, the panda is sitting in front of the box. सामने. The next is behind. The monkey is behind the bars. Between, the snake is between the pots. Next is under. The toy is under the table. Next is around. The pandas are sitting around the box. Some more examples are there, like the teddy is in the cupboard. The boy is sitting on the chair. The rabbit is under the tree. The cat is jumping over the chair. The car is parked near the house. So these are the examples of place preposition. Now here some common prepositions of time are in, at, on, from, for, since, ago, before, after, till, until, by, etc. Now see the use of time preposition in sentences, like on is used with days. For example, I started working on Sunday morning. In is generally used with month, season, year, century, decade. For example, I will go hiking in December, that is month. At always indicates an exact and specific time. For example, the shop opens at 8 a.m. The next is preposition of direction and movement. First is across. To describe movement from one area to another or movement from one surface to another. For example, he went across the river. Next is wearing seat belt across the body saves life. Next is to. To is used to describe motion in the direction of a place. It describes destination of the journey. For example, children are going to school. Next is along. Along is used to show continuous movement with something else. For example, the cat is running along on the sea wall carrying kitten. Here the next example is the train is passing through the tunnel. Here through is showing direction. Here, more examples of preposition of directions are there. He jumped over the wall. He went to London last week. John pushed Smith towards wall. Don't put milk into old glass. He rushed off from the bank. Now I think you have understood the topic preposition well. Thank you. Have a nice day.